What is up, guys? It is Bro Cracker back again. We did some fireworks shopping today, boys, and we did get some firecrackers, so let's take a look, see what we picked up today. We have these M100 atomic bomb firecrackers. This is a 10400. This brick has no plastic on it. I think I'm going to open this one, actually. These are new to the market. I've heard good things about them. What's that brand? I can't see it. What's that? So we're probably going to open this brick too as well. We got, never seen these. We got a beautiful pack of ducks here. It's a 336 count of ducks there by old boy right here. Beautiful pack. And we've got something I have never seen in my life. There's one video of YouTube of somebody lighting a pack, but we got a brick of Bikini Beach 100 strips, 1 5/8. Absolutely incredible find here. I didn't even know these existed till today. And what a fucking score there, boys. Wow. 100 strip brick. Unreal. I'm not sure how many packs are in here, but I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 10 100 strips of the 1 5/8 red Bikini Beaches right there, boys. Unbelievable. I didn't even know these existed. So that's pretty damn cool, guys. That's a nice little firecracker haul for today. You know how to do it. Take it easy.